What is up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. I've got here the Twist Tighe OTF from Tighe and Friends. Really killer OTF knife. Great action. I got a bunch of different colors here. Some really cool design work on the handle of these alloy handles, but the design on these, the mill design, is really cool. It's got the cool ass hardware too. They went above and beyond on these. I like the attention to detail on these. The pocket clip, ball bearing glass breaker, and it's got a G10 thumb slider with the Tighe logo, which is really cool as well, integrated. So a lot of attention to detail in the handle work of these, which is really nice. But the action is awesome as well. So this is the Twist Tighe OTF. This is a drop point and it's got a blasted finish to it. So kind of a two-tone blasted with the machine flat. Not focusing worth a shit right now. Okay, so double edge, same concept. Double edge with a really cool blasted finish. And then these are black. That's a charcoal gray, so it's just a little bit lighter. I've got ceramic red, so the ceramic is cool. It's kind of hard to tell in pictures, but it's got a ceramic finish to it. It's got a little bit of a. It's hard to explain. You know what ceramic is, so it's got that little texture feel and look to it. And this is DLC Tonto Edge. Ceramic blue as well. And then another ceramic, and this is double edge, and it's blasted. So all of these, and then I have this one, but I wanted to show you the packaging real quick. So it comes in a Tighe and Friends box, and you'll see it's got the model and all the info here. This is ceramic gold DLC Tonto. So every one of them comes with a card, and it's got a serial number on it, and it's got the limited lifetime warranty stuff, and then the knife is inside. So it's in a plastic sleeve. This is the ceramic gold. One of my favorites. I love this color. This color with the black is wicked. So this is the Twist Tighe OTF from Tighe and Friends. So alright, what I want to show you real quick, compare this basically to a Combat Troodon from Microtech. So the two are almost identical in size. I mean, lengthwise, it's a little bit shorter, but not a lot. Where it's a lot different is the thickness. The Combat's quite a bit thicker, but both are comparable in size for the most part. The blades are all right at 3.75 inches. And then also, same with the Heretic Manticore X. So all three are basically in the same class. They're all about the same size. So I get a lot of questions from guys asking me, hey, how big is the Manticore versus the Combat? And then guys asking me about the Twist Tighe as well, and just in relation, is it like an Ultratech? Nope, it's bigger. It's gonna be like a Combat Troodon, which is more like the industry standard for OTFs. That and I guess Benchmade. But so yeah, this is the three together. This will give you an idea, and I've got all three on the website now, EKNIVES.com. So if you're in the market for any of these Tighe and Friends Twist Tighe OTFs, hit me up, EKNIVES.com. Call or text me 423-525-9477. Don't forget, we do loyalty points. You get 2 points for every $1 spent. If you've never ordered from us before, you can get $25 off your first order. Thanks, guys.